students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine, and whatever work you are giving, you are learning everything properly. And today we are going to learn some more important things about the grammar. Okay, in grammar there are some more topics which are very important for you. Okay, so what you have to do, keep concentration on the board, listen everything properly, and then after the completion of the explanation we will start. Let's try 7, let's try 8, and let's try 9. Okay, so now let's see on the board first. Sentence. A sentence means Vaki. You already know about that, yes, but I am revising that once again, so keep concentration. Sentence means Vakya. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. मीन्स एक सेंटेंस मीन्स एक वाक्य वह होता है जो शब्दों से बनता है, ठीक है। शब्दों का जो समूह होता है, शब्दों के जो गुण होते हैं, उन शब्दों से मतलब वो वाक्य एक अर्थपूर्ण तरीके में बनना चाहिए, ठीक है। इनकम्प्लीट सेंस होने वाले वाक्यों को हम एक सेंटेंस नहीं कह सकते। द सेंटेंस विच इज नॉट हैविंग मीनिंगफुल मीनिंग, द सेंटेंस विच डज नॉट हैव अ कंप्लीट सेंस in the meaning, it is not called as a sentence. Okay, the sentence should contain a complete sense of a meaning. Okay, next is every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Okay, every sentence means हर एक वाक्य में क्या होते हैं, दो हिस्से होते हैं, दो भाग होते हैं। पहला होता है a subject and second is a predicate. Okay, the first is a subject and second is a predicate. So now let's know how we can recognize which is a subject and how we can recognize which is a predicate. So let's know now. Subject. The subject names the person, place, animal or thing. The sentence is above. The subject names the person. अब आपको मैम सब्जेक्ट का मतलब तो विषय होता है, हाँ बच्चों सही बात है, सब्जेक्ट का मतलब विषय होता है, लेकिन सब्जेक्ट को कर्ता भी कहा जा सकता है। क्या कहते हैं? कर्ता भी कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट को। तो जो कर्ता होता है, जैसे कि जो कार्य करने वाला है, जो हमें उस वाक्य के बारे में बताया, जैसे कि हम वी कैन टेक द एग्जांपल, लीला इज ए डांसर। हु इज डांसर हियर? लीला। ओके, अबाउट whom they are talking, जिसके बारे में वो बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो जो होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? कर्ता। सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं। जैसे कोई व्यक्ति का नाम हो सकता है, स्थान का नाम हो सकता है, जानवर का नाम हो सकता है, कोई भी नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और ए थिंग। ओके, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द नाउन हियर, बट अबाउट whom द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, किसके बारे में ये बात की जा रही है। नाउ यू कैन सी द सेंटेंस इज अबाउट, द सेंटेंस में वाक्य किसके बारे में है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ प्रेडिकेट। द प्रेडिकेट tells what the subject is or does. सब प्रेडिकेट क्या बोलता है कि एक कर्ता क्या है या उसने क्या किया है। हमें ये बताने वाले जो शब्द होते हैं उन्हें हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं। एक वाक्य में दो भाग होते हैं, दो हिस्से होते हैं। पहला है सब्जेक्ट और दूसरा है प्रेडिकेट। ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट इट गिव्स अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट। वहाँ हमें क्या देता है? कर्ता के बारे में जानकारी देता है। क्या देता है? कर्ता के बारे में हमें जानकारी देता है। इट गिव्स द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द सब्जेक्ट, दैट व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग और व्हाट ही हैज डन और व्हाट ही मे डू। ओके, दैट इज द प्रेडिकेट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस एंड राइट इन योर पेज नोटबुक। Yes students, now there are some examples I am going to explain you some. So let's see the examples, that how we can know which is the subject and which is the predicate in the given sentence. Now see here I have explained you what is the subject and what is predicate. Now examples I have taken here. The doctor examined the patient. डॉक्टर ने क्या किया? पेशेंट जो होता है यानी जो व्यक्ति बीमार है उसको एग्जामिन किया, उसको देखा डॉक्टर ने। So now what I said, subject is about whom we are talking. ओके, अबाउट whom we are talking. पेशेंट भी यहाँ पे एक नाउन ही है, लेकिन द डॉक्टर who examined, the doctor examined, who का जो शब्द आता है, किसने ये किया, मीन्स जैसे कि हम ये बता सकते हैं किसी मतलब ये हमें क्या बताने की कोशिश करता है। जैसे कि हम ये ले सकते हैं कि हर एक जो सेंटेंस होता है, द सेंटेंस मीन्स सेंटेंस हैज टू पार्ट्स, ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड। The first part of the word given in this sentence is the doctor. So the doctor is your subject. Okay, यहाँ पे डॉक्टर क्या है? subject. What he did, उसने क्या किया? Examined the patient. So examined the patient is a predicate. The remaining part of the sentence is a predicate. Okay, now let's take the next example. Leela dances really well. लीला डांसेस रियली वेल. ठीक है, लीला क्या है? लीला बहुत अच्छे से नाचती है. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? इसमें सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट दोनों ही करने हैं. सो लीला इज अ सब्जेक्ट, dances very well is a predicate. I hope students you are getting understood what I am explaining you and which is the subject and which is the predicate. Okay. Next, the dog is wearing a blue collar. The dog is wearing a blue collar. Now after the completion of the sentence we will put the full stop. The dog is wearing a blue collar. Now the dog is your subject. कौन पहन रहा है blue collar? Dog. So it is a subject. Is wearing a blue collar. Is wearing. Wearing एक क्या है? Verb है. Dances एक verb है. Examined एक verb है. Okay. So is wearing a blue collar. This is predicate. Students, I hope you have got understood. Now what you have to do, take the screenshot of this and after whatever I have explained before this, what is subject, predicate, sentence, after that you have to write the examples in your notebook also. So take the screenshot first. Yes students, now we are going to learn let's try Sagar. Okay, underline what they have given in this question. Underline the predicate in the following sentences. Means what I have explained you already about the subject and the predicate. According to that only, what we will do now, we have to read the sentence and then after that we have to recognize that which is the predicate in the given sentences. Then we have to underline that. So the first one is the dog ran after the cat. See here the question is the dog ran after the cat. The students, this is the sentence. Okay. Now what is here? The dog means एक जो dog होता है वो कहाँ जा रहा है? वो बिल्ली के पीछे दौड़ रहा है. ठीक है. So what which is the predicate here? Ran after the cat is the predicate here. So we will underline the ran after the cat. Okay. I hope you have understood what you have to do. Now let's see the next question B. The light blue shirt was her favorite top. The light blue shirt was her favorite top. Okay. Now the light blue shirt is a subject here. Was her favorite top is a predicate. So we will underline was her favorite top. Next question number C is the bag is too expensive for me. The bag is too expensive for me. Okay. Now here the bag is a subject. Is too expensive for me is a predicate. Okay students, in this way we have to underline the predicate. Now next question D is Rahul is the tallest boy in our class. Rahul is the tallest boy in our class. Full stop. So now Rahul is a subject because this is the name of the person. Now is the tallest boy in our class is a what? Predicate. Next question is She finished everything. She finished everything this morning. Okay, now she is a pronoun, but it is what it is telling that who has finished everything this morning. अभी सुबह किसने ये किया, तो ये pronoun तो है, हमें ये तो पता है, लेकिन ये हमें दर्शा रहा है एक व्यक्ति के बारे में. So she is a subject here. Finished everything this morning is a predicate in this sentence. Next sentence is the children have already left for school. Full stop. Now the children is a subject in this sentence. Now have already left for school is a predicate. Yes students, I hope you have understood. Now take the screenshot of this. Yes students, now after this we are going to take the let's try 8. Now do the let's try 8 on the board. You can see the question that what they have given. Let's read that. Match the subject in the first column with the appropriate predicate in the second column. Means they have given the subject in one column, we can see, and in the opposite they have given the predicate in the second column. But what we have to do, they are not in a proper way, so we have to match that. Means हमें क्या करना है, उनका मिलान कराना. कैसे जो दिए हुए वाक्य हैं वो एक दूसरे से मेल नहीं खा रहे, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें मैच करना है. So we have to match the column A with the column B. Okay. Now my parents, the first word is my parents. This is a subject. We already know that this side column is a subject and opposite to that is a predicate. Now my parents, what is the answer for that which we can match? Have gone out for shopping. The answer which is suitable for this to make a complete meaningful sense is have gone out for shopping. Next is whales. Whales, which answer we will take? Are large aquatic animals. Next, Mrs. Bhatt. Mrs. Bhatt is a very helpful lady. Okay, Mrs. Bhatt is a very helpful lady. Next is the cars ahead are slowing down. The cars ahead are slowing down. Next is I can help you with your homework. Now we can see I. In front of I they have written the proper predicate. Yes, so match that with the same answer. I can help you with your homework. Okay students, now take the screenshot of this. Yes students, now see they have given in let's try 9. Okay, now in let's try 9 what they use your imagination. Imagination means अपनी कल्पना का उपयोग करना है to complete each sentences by adding an appropriate predicate. क्या करने के लिए? एक सही meaningful predicate का उपयोग आपको अपने हिसाब से ही means according to you. What you have to do, you have to complete this sentence. You can see the first A they have given the animals. Okay, the animals means जानवर जो होते हैं. Now what you have to do, you have to complete this sentence by adding a proper meaningful predicate with this. The animals enjoy being out in the wild. The animals enjoy being out in the wild. The first one I am doing, the animals. Okay, the animals they have given. Now we have to write the predicate to that. What we will write? The animals enjoy being out in the wild. The animals enjoy being out in the wild. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the remaining. B, India. India is a beautiful country with a lot of diversity. Okay, India is a beautiful country with a lot of diversity. I am writing second also. India is a beautiful country. Is a beautiful country with lot of diversity. Okay, in this way we have to complete the given subject by adding the predicate to it to make a complete sentence. Yes students, I hope you have understood. Now remaining 3. A friend of mine, a 8-year-old grandfather, my 80-year-old grandfather. Sorry students, my 80-year-old grandfather, and next is the newspaper article. This you have to complete by yourself by adding the appropriate predicate in this subject. Okay students, have a nice day and complete the whole things. If you want, you can write the same words or you can use any other predicates also for the given words. Okay, have a nice day.